Do it again, Simon. Go on. Watch. Watch, Simon.
Watch.
Watch, Simon. Now you do it.
Ellie, do a somersault.
Ellie, do it. Watch, Simon. Watch, Simon.
Ellie, do it. Ellie.
Let her play for a second. I just want to see what she does. Oh man, leaves on the. Stop bouncing for a second, please. I just want to see if she'll do. Oh, do a flip, honey.
You do it. Watch.
Ellie, do a
Ellie, watch Simon. Watch Simon.
Ellie.
Watch Simon.
Ellie. Ellie.
Watch Simon. Ellie, do it.
You do it.
She just
Wait,
likes
I'll
doing
help
that.
her get ready. Ellie, do some.
I don't know if that's helping getting her ready. Let her stand up.
Come on, Ellie, do somersault. Come on, and Dad. Somersault. Come on.
That's not
That's
helping.
not helping. Come here.
Don't do that.
Come
You're
here.
gonna hurt her back.
Ellie, come here. Ellie.
She just likes falling.
Ellie, come here. Come here. Come here.
Nope.
They're gonna get her down. That's all right.
I'm sure we'll see it. I just want to.
Yeah. You better be careful.
Do a flip, honey. Show her again.
Yeah.
You better be careful with him bouncing. You guys are gonna bang faces.
It's cold out here, huh?
Are we really doing a fire outside tonight?
Yeah. You don't want to?
I don't mind. It just seems chilly. I just don't know who's gonna stay out here. Whoa.
Well, that's what the fire is for, right?
Well, it's just a fire pit. I don't know how much good it's gonna do. But we do have plenty of wood, so that's fine. Oh, you hurt her.
Okay.
Did you bump your nose, probably? Do a flip, and then you gotta get in the tub.
He doesn't want it anymore. Well, at least somebody got to see it.
She just likes. What'd you do?
I hit my head with my knee.
Tape didn't work. Well, actually, I take that back because it's the end of the summer, so.
It's just getting everywhere now. Might as well take off this thing when we take it apart.
Yeah.
Careful, dude. Don't put a hole in the net. You won't have to buy another one of those, too.